May bago na naman from Salad Stop and it's Korean inspired, so of course, titikman agad natin yan. Hey friends, if you don't know yet, medyo obsessed kami sa Salad Stop and we're here at their Gateway Mall 2 branch. So happy may mas malapit na sa amin. Now let's try their newest seasonal lineup. This is the Soulful Warm Protein Bowl. May romaine, warm quinoa, carrot, sweet corn, Korean cucumber salad, kimchi, pork galbi, and egg roll. Tapos dressing niya is yuja vinaigrette. We like na complex and balance yung overall flavor. It's savory, a bit sweet, citrusy, may hint of good bitterness from the dressing, sour, and konting spiciness from the kimchi. Pinaka nag-stand out sa mga toppings is the egg roll na creamy pa sa loob. Ang sarap nito. The pork galbi naman was smoky and tender but sana more juicy pa. And best to have it chopped finely para mas madali kainin. Overall, nakakabusog siya and love all the flavors and components here kaya pasok sa top 5 Salad Stop items namin ni Lovie. We also enjoyed their newest drink